What is an automatic control system? In the present time, almost everything around us has been automated. Some common examples from our day-to-day life are different fields, automatic sliding doors, escalators, air conditioners, etc. Thus, automatic control system is defined as a closed-loop control system operating without human operator. Firstly, let's discuss about control system. It is the arrangement of components that directs or regulates the behavior of other system. In closed-loop, control action is dependent on output, while in open-loop system, control action is independent from the output. Digital camera is used for input, computer receives the data, printer as an output. Let's now discuss automatic control system. The main elements are error detector, sensor, final control element. A set of sensors are employed for automatically determining the effective value of state parameters. Related term is